Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good afternoon.
afternoon,
Give me a thumbs up,
coach.
everyone. Give me a thumbs up, everyone. I can't see all of you yet. Hi, Nidhi. Hi, Rashi. Hi, Ananya. Hi, Swara. Hi, Ria. Hi, Nishi. Hi, Karthik. Hi, Kushagra. Hey, Rimush, Krish, Sid, Vaibhav, Naman. Please change your name. Vedant, Meghna, Rohan. Awesome. Awesome to see all of you. There are many who are still not on video. Please come on video, guys. It is very, very important for you guys to come on video. If your parents are around, please call them, because trust me, in this session, not only you guys are going to learn something very powerful, your parents are going to learn something powerful. Not only as a parent, but also as a professional, which they can use in their jobs as well as in their businesses. Super. So guys, I am Nitesh Gavde and I am going to conduct this session, and I'm going to make a promise to you guys. And that promise is, at the end of this session, you are going to get 3 powerful secrets to become an successful entrepreneur in the future. And at the end of the session, I will share with you a bonus secret which is going to save 10 years of your life. So at the end of the session, a small secret will be shared which will help you fast forward your success by 10 years. So are you all excited? Everyone, let's do one thing. Let's type in excited in the chat box. Quickly, guys. All those who are excited, type in excited. Let me see. Superb. Nice, nice. Guys, quickly, type. Superb, guys. Thank you. So let's start with the session. How many of you have done the Teenpreneur Challenge? Give me a thumbs up. Let me see how many of us are here. Okay, quite a few. And how many of you have come directly through an invite, through an Instagram post? Raise your hand. Nishi, Vedant, Muskan, Palmi, Kushagra. Nice. Superb. I welcome all of you. Chalo, so get ready with the pen and paper and let's start with our amazing session. So, Teenpreneur Workshop. So let me quickly revise the 7 challenges that we have done in Teenpreneurship Challenge. The first 3 challenges were introductory in nature. What we did was we asked you to declare your future vision. Now this was very, very important, because till the time your future vision is not clear, you cannot become an entrepreneur. Till the time you don't know why are you doing this, you cannot achieve that particular thing. Day 2, we worked on finding the gap. And I must tell you, the kind of gaps some of you have shared was phenomenal. Day 3, we asked you to design an ad for Mrs. Pinto. And guys, Mrs. Pinto is so happy with you guys. She has received more than 330 designs, which now she can use one design every day. Then we proceeded with day 4 challenge, create value addition, whereby we asked you to create a product where the cost of the product and the actual sales price of the product should be having a 50% minimum profit. Day 5 was phenomenal. You guys created a superhero wall. I was very happy to see, because normally superhero wall mein, give me just 1 second, guys. Okay, so somebody is by mistaken creating, let me disable that. Disable attendee annotation. Yes. So normally in superhero wall challenge, most of the time people will put Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and so on. This time I saw many unknown heroes. And when you guys shared why are they your heroes, that actually inspired us to learn from you guys. Day 6 was resource hunting. You were asked to get a resource of either 25 coins or 7 different colored paper planes or paper swans, and 7 chairs. Again, you guys did amazingly well. And the most important and the most difficult challenge was yesterday's challenge, which was investor's pitch. Now, investor pitch एक ऐसा challenge है जहाँ पे आपको आपका idea दूसरों को present करना होता है. And trust me, that is not easy. That is the most difficult part, because then you will be questioned. Always remember, guys, as an entrepreneur, आपका idea आपके दिमाग में हमेशा अच्छा लगता है. But the moment you present it to someone and people will question you, that is something you have to overcome. And that is what real entrepreneurs do. So I congratulate all of you those who have completed the 7-day challenge. Now let's start with today's session. Now, before we start today's session, let's do a small activity. Okay. So all of you remember, while applying for this workshop, while nominating yourself for this workshop, I have asked you one single question. Why you want to become an entrepreneur? That question is very, very important before we start. So let me ask that question again. Karthik? Hey Karthik.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Why
sir.
you want to become an entrepreneur?
Okay, I wanted to become an entrepreneur mainly to decrease poverty.
Okay.
And
super.
then I wanted to do that by employing more people in my startup.
Super.
So more people.
So guys, what I'm going to do? Yes, Karthik. Thank you, Karthik. Amazing answer. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to split you guys into breakout rooms. And each one of you will get 30 seconds only. Quickly, you have to share in 30 seconds why you want to become an entrepreneur. Ready? Everyone? Let me increase. Yeah. चलो, so आपके ग्रुप में 3 से 4 लोग होंगे. Quickly share करना है आपको why you want to become an entrepreneur. That's it. And no asking questions, no judgment. Whatever you feel, just share. Here are your breakout rooms. Once you complete the answer, come back to the main session. Start accepting the breakout rooms request. Go for it. Okay, guys. So, shared. Now let me ask you a magical question.
For Keshad, I wanted to speak. Hello.
Please do not. Yeah, Keshad.
Yeah, I'm Keshad's mother here. He is in his school month session, which is extending.
So guys, let's move. So this is the first question I want you to ponder upon. Why do we work? So turn around to your parents and ask them this question. Mom, Dad, why do you work? Chalo, pucho. And tell what are the answers. Type in their answers. चलिए बताइए. So Prisha Rao. Hi Prisha.
Hi.
Tell me, why do our parents work?
They're saying that they enjoy working, that's why.
Superb. Very good. What else, guys? So you have written, somebody has written, to fulfill basic necessities, to provide for the family, for self-worth, to save for retirement, grow family, money to make a living, livelihood. You guys can see all the chats, right? Okay. Now, this question is very, very important, because as an entrepreneur, eventually हम लोग entrepreneurship करके क्या करने वाले हैं? हम लोग काम ही करने वाले हैं. So today I will start the session with this basic question. Why do people work? What is the reason behind it? And the reason is very simple. People work for 2 things in their life. Write this down: happiness and success. So people will say, I want to earn money, but money क्यों चाहिए? For happiness of my family or for success of my family? I want so that my kids can go to school. What does that mean to you? Happiness. I want to buy a car. What is that? That is success. So मोटा मोटी आप देखोगे ना, तो सब लोग काम करते हैं for happiness and success. और happiness के, success के 4 levels होते हैं. So quickly take a blank page and draw this chart. Draw this chart, x-axis, y-axis. x-axis पे लिखिए duration of happiness and success, और y-axis पे लिखिए intensity of happiness and success. So all the people in the world who work, they work for 4 different levels of happiness. सबसे बेसिक लेवल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस है सर्वाइवल. सर्वाइवल में आप देखोगे सबसे कम इंटेंसिटी है और सबसे कम ड्यूरेशन है. सर्वाइवल मतलब बेसिक नेसेसिटीज के लिए काम करना. घर होना चाहिए, खाना होना चाहिए, बच्चे का स्कूल होना चाहिए, कपड़े होने चाहिए, बेसिक लेवल पे. ऑल दीज आर कॉल्ड एज सर्वाइवल. सर्वाइवल में आप देखोगे ना, हैप्पीनेस मिलता है बट इतना ज्यादा हैप्पीनेस नहीं मिलता है. लो हैप्पीनेस, लो इंटेंसिटी, लो ड्यूरेशन. सर्वाइवल वाली चीजें आपको वापस वापस करनी पड़ती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ईटिंग फूड इज फॉर सर्वाइवल. आपने दोपहर में लंच किया है, रात को आपको वापस भूख लगेगी, तो उसका ड्यूरेशन भी बहुत छोटा है. आपने आज बेसिक कपड़े लिए हैं, 3 महीने बाद, 6 महीने बाद आपको वापस कपड़े खरीदने होंगे. बेसिक सर्वाइवल. तो सर्वाइवल वाली जो चीजें होती है उसका ड्यूरेशन कम होता है और उसका इंटेंसिटी भी कम होता है. क्लियर सो फॉर एवरीवन? फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ बेसिक हैप्पीनेस. सेकेंड लेवल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस इज प्लेजर. प्लेजर मतलब ना, यहाँ पे ना नॉर्मल खाना नहीं खाना है, अच्छा खाना खाना है. नॉर्मल कपड़े नहीं पहनने, ज़ारा वाले कपड़े पहनने. नॉर्मल कार नहीं चाहिए, अच्छी वाली कार चाहिए. 2 BHK फ्लैट नहीं चाहिए, 3 BHK बंगलो चाहिए. सो द नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस कम फ्रॉम द लेवल ऑफ प्लेजर. नाउ प्लेजर का इंटेंसिटी सर्वाइवल से ज्यादा है और उसका ड्यूरेशन भी सर्वाइवल से ज्यादा है. गोइंग फॉर इंटरनेशनल वेकेशन कम्स अंडर प्लेजर. गोइंग फॉर फाइन डाइनिंग, अभी तो फाइन डाइनिंग हो नहीं रहा है, बट अच्छा पिज्जा मंगाना कम्स इन प्लेजर. This is the second level. So survival में you will see ना, 90% of the world survival के लिए जीता है, 70% world pleasure के लिए जीता है. Now third level. Third level is वो लोग जिनको happiness मिलता है by doing something they love, and that is called as level of passion. ये वो लोग हैं जिनका सर्वाइवल भी हो रहा है, प्लेजर भी हो रहा है, वो तो काम इसलिए कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे लव व्हाट दे डू. हैव यू ऑब्जर्व, आप लोगों में से कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जिनके पेरेंट्स ना मंडे मॉर्निंग को बहुत खुश रहते हैं. दे आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू गो टू वर्क, दे आर एक्साइटेड टू गो टू दैट मीटिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर डूइंग सम वर्क विच दे आर पैशनेट अबाउट. अब ये पैशन वाला जो चीज है ना, ये सिर्फ 20% दुनिया ही करता है. यहाँ पे ना आप इसलिए काम कर रहे हो बिकॉज यू लव व्हाट यू आर डूइंग समथिंग विच मैचेस विथ योर पर्सनालिटी, विच मैचेस विथ योर पोटेंशियल. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 20% लोग हैं. नाउ कम्स द फोर्थ लेवल गाइस. ये फोर्थ लेवल जो है ना, यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा हैप्पीनेस मिलता है और यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा ड्यूरेशन ऑफ हैप्पीनेस होता है. मतलब ये आदमी या ये औरत अपने लाइफ में बहुत खुश रहते हैं. एंड दैट फोर्थ लेवल इज, राइट दिस डाउन गाइस, व्हेन यू ऑपरेट फ्रॉम द लेवल ऑफ पर्पस. पर्पस ये वो लेवल है जहां पे ना वो आदमी को ऐसा लगता है कि ये काम मेरा पर्पस है, मैं इसके लिए जन्मा हूं. दिस इज समथिंग आई शुड बी डूइंग फॉर द एंटायरिटी ऑफ माई लाइफ. पता है यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं वर्ल्ड में? Any guesses guys?
5%.
It is approximately 1%. और 1% को मैं ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है. बट ये लेवल पे जो लोग होते हैं ना, ये लोग ना अपने फील्ड के मास्टर्स होते हैं. सो दे कैन बी टॉप क्रिकेटर, टॉप एक्टर, top director, top industrialist, because they are not only doing it for passion is for self, purpose is for others. उनको मालूम है उनका काम करने से ना उनके साथ साथ बहुत ज्यादा लोगों का भला हो रहा है. Now you must be thinking ये 4 लेवल तो पेरेंट्स के लिए है, हमारे लिए क्या है? You know guys, आप लोग अभी स्कूल कॉलेज में हो, राइट? वुड यू अग्री हम लोग स्कूल कॉलेज में पढ़ाई भी ये 4 लेवल पे करते हैं? जैसे ना हमारे में से ना बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं ना, वो ना सिर्फ सर्वाइवल वाला पढ़ाई करते हैं। सर्वाइवल वाला पढ़ाई मतलब एग्जाम आया तो पढ़ाई करेंगे, 10 चैप्टर रहेंगे, मालूम है 4 चैप्टर करके पास हो जाएंगे तो 4 चैप्टर करेंगे। एंड वुड यू अग्री अपने क्लास में सर्वाइवल वाले बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा मेजोरिटी में होते हैं। सेकंड प्लेजर वो बच्चे हैं ना जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं बिकॉज उनको ना कुछ गिफ्ट मिलने वाला है। उनको पापा ने बोला है कि ये बार 90% निकाल, PS4 दूंगा, तो बच्चा अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहा है। उनको ना एक मोबाइल मिलने वाला है, iPhone 11 मिलने वाला है, तो वो लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं प्लेजर के लिए। बहुत कम बच्चे होते हैं जो पैशन के लिए पढ़ाई करते हैं। पैशन मतलब दे लव स्टडिंग, दे लव मैथ्स, दे लव साइंस। और उससे भी कम परसेंटेज के बच्चे होते हैं जो पर्पस के लिए पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज ना उनको मालूम है कि पढ़ाई करके मुझे कुछ बड़ा बनना, और बड़ा बन के ना मुझे लाइफ में अपने लिए नहीं दूसरों के लिए भी कुछ अच्छा करना है। आर यू गाइस ऑल विथ मी? ये 4 लेवल से वर्क में नहीं आते, स्टडीज में भी आते हैं। गिव मी थम्स अप, यू अग्री? सुपर गाइस, सुपर, अप्रिशिएट दैट। Now I want you guys, see, I cannot promise for your parents because they have worked for so many years और उनका भी आधा करियर हो चुका है। बट मैं आपके लिए कुछ ऐसा कर सकता हूँ कि आप जब अपना करियर चालू करो तो आप सर्वाइवल और प्लेजर के बजाय पैशन और पर्पस से चालू करो। एंड फॉर यू टू डू दैट आई एम गोना शेयर 3 पावरफुल सीक्रेट्स विथ यू। And if you use these 3 secrets, trust me, you guys will start your career, you'll start your work from the level of passion and purpose. And for that, let us start with our first secret. Write down, guys, first secret, career versus self. Now you will observe that most of us are studying very hard to get into a particular college and then to pursue a particular graduation and post-graduation to get into a particular career so that we can get into a particular job or we can start a particular type of business. Now this secret is going to change this. Okay. So let me talk to some parents. So, hi. So can I talk to Vaibhav's parents? Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Anuradha and Adarsh.
Hi Anuradha, hi Adarsh. So guys, let me talk to Adarsh. So Adarsh, आपके पापा क्या जॉब करते थे?
My dad was as a company secretary. He's a ACS. Wow. Yeah.
Which company?
In South India called Kothari Sugars and Chemicals.
Super, super. And Adarsh, आपके पापा ने वो जॉब कितने साल किया?
He worked till when he was around 60.
So did he retire from the same job?
Then he did his own consultancy. He practiced on his own.
But till the time he was 60, he work for one company, one job?
No, he switched jobs, but for the major part of his career, he was with Kothari Sugars.
Super, super. Adarsh, what about you? आप कहाँ जॉब करते हैं?
I work for an apparel manufacturing company.
Super. And since how many years you are working with that company?
20 years.
Wow. Any plan of switching?
Yes, in the subsequent year.
Super, super. Thank you, Adarsh, for sharing that.
Yeah.
Let me speak to one more parent. Riya? Hey, Riya.
Hey,
Hi, Riya. What's your mom's name?
Yogita.
Hi, Yogita.
Hi.
Yogita, do you work?
Basically, I'm a freelancer. I'm a graphic designer.
Oh, wow. So, Yogita, tell me, आपके पापा क्या करते थे?
he was an engineer and he used to
Uh-huh.
work with Larsen & Toubro.
Wow.
He
How many years
started
he worked?
he started as an apprentice, and unfortunately, actually on duty only, he passed away. So
Oh,
I think he worked for more than 26 years.
wow. योगिता, right?
Yeah,
योगिता, आप agree करते हो आपके पापा, if everything would have been in place, he would have continued his entire job with L&T?
definitely, definitely.
But that is not your case, Yogita. You will keep on changing the jobs, being a freelancer, but you will stay in the same industry.
Yes, definitely, because art is my passion and creativity is my passion. So I would, do variety of work, but still remain in the same industry.
Super, super. Thank you, Yogita. Thank you, Adarsh. Now, guys,
Yeah.
here comes the secret. The secret is, if you observe, 1980s के पहले जिनका जन्म हुआ है, all those people have done one job, one career. So if you ask your parents about their parents, all of them have done one job, one career. एक job में लगा, 25, 26-year-old, and then he will retire from that job. That is not the case with your parents, guys. Your parents are doing multiple jobs in the same career. So if your father is working with IT, he would have worked for Infosys, TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant. If your father is working for a manufacturing firm, he will jump from Reliance to L&T. बहुत कम ऐसे पेरेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने करियर शिफ्ट किया है, बट मोर और लेस एक बार करियर फिक्स हो गया, उसके अंदर जॉब चेंज करते हैं. You know, guys, the fun part is, so let me talk to Adarsh again. Adarsh,
Yes, go on.
आदर्श आपको क्या लगता है वैभव क्या करेगा?
Vaibhav, I think he's going to be completely different. I don't think he'll stick to one job. He
Or
might
even one career?
switch many jobs in the same year. But I think
Yogita, what do you think about Riya?
he'll pursue his passion. That's something I'm sure about.
Yogita, what do you think about Riya?
Well, actually, I'm not sure, but I think she will do something that she will love. Maybe it is job or entrepreneurship, anything. But she will do something that she will enjoy, and where she can
Guys,
use
that is
her
secret number
creativity.
one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, Yogita, I got that. Thanks. Secret number one says that जो young बच्चे हैं, जो 1995 के बाद वाले बच्चे हैं, these guys will not be contained to one particular sector, one particular job or one particular career. These guys will have multiple jobs and multiple careers. So 3-4 साल कुछ करेंगे, they will enjoy, then they will switch. They will enjoy, they will switch. They will enjoy, they will switch. This is, by the way, already started happening with the current generation. But जैसे जैसे ये एज के बच्चे बड़े होंगे, ये और बढ़ेगा. Now, imagine this. If we guys are going to change jobs and career in the future, right now जो हम लोग एक ही career के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं, future में जाके that career can change, right? All of you, have you observed what happened during this pandemic? During this pandemic, so many jobs were gone. मतलब अभी वो जॉब का जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा. बट जिन लोगों ने अपना पूरा लाइफ वो जॉब के लिए प्रिपेयर किया है, नाउ दे आर लाइक अभी नया क्या करें? एट द एज ऑफ 40 में नया जॉब कौन सा ढूंढूं? एट द एज ऑफ 40 व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ? एंड दैट इज द फर्स्ट सीक्रेट, गाइस. डू नॉट प्रिपेयर for one particular career. Prepare yourself for multiple careers. एक particular specialization करके इतना जल्दी फायदा नहीं है. Should do that specialization maybe in post graduation, but till the time of graduation, do certain things which can give you variety of career options, because that is how the world is going to be after 2025, after 2030. This especially I realized when I started coaching. जब मैं बच्चों को कोचिंग करता था 1-to-1 और बच्चों को मैं पूछता था कौन सा ऐसा फील्ड है विच यू लाइक टू डू फॉर 40 years, और बच्चे बोलते थे ऐसा कोई फील्ड नहीं है, आई डोंट वांट टू वर्क इन अ पर्टिकुलर फील्ड फॉर 40 years. And then I realized that instead of finding one particular career, find out what you are good at and then try to see what you are good at can be used at which different careers. Getting this, guys? Secret number 1, don't prepare for a particular career. Prepare yourself by finding out what you are good at so that you can use the same potential and personality in different careers. Give me a thumbs up if you got this. Superb, superb.
So
This
one
was
question.
secret 1. Who's
Sorry,
this?
Rohan.
Rohan, can we take all the questions at the end, please?
Okay, sure.
Please note it down and I will give you time for this. Thanks, Rohan.
Okay, thank you.
Now, guys, comes secret number 2. Secret number 2 is, write this down, curiosity versus commitment. Now, as teenagers, now all of us have these 2 qualities. Curiosity भी है और commitment भी है, but वो अलग अलग level पे है. So quickly draw this diagram, everyone. X axis पे लिखो level of commitment, Y पे लिखो level of curiosity. ये low level है, ये high है, ये low है, ये high है. Quickly prepare these 4 quadrants. Low curiosity, low commitment. High curiosity, low commitment. High curiosity, high commitment. Low curiosity, high commitment. Now curiosity कैसा होता है मालूम है? ये वो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लो क्यूरियोसिटी लो कमिटमेंट, मतलब ये वो टीनेजर्स हैं जिनके पास में इतना क्रिएटिविटी या इतना क्वेश्चंस नहीं है. दे आर हैप्पी गो लकी विद व्हाटएवर दैट इज हैपनिंग इन देयर लाइफ. और कमिटमेंट भी हाई नहीं है, मतलब कुछ भी काम करते तो कंप्लीट नहीं करते. बट ये सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट है ना, हाई क्यूरियोसिटी लो कमिटमेंट, ये वो बच्चे हैं जिनके पास ना नए नए आइडियाज हैं, नई नई चीजें ट्राई करते हैं, बट ट्राई करने के बाद बीच में छोड़ देते हैं, कभी कंप्लीट नहीं करते. थर्ड कैटेगरी इज लो क्यूरियोसिटी हाई कमिटमेंट. ये वो है जिनको ना खुद से आइडियाज नहीं आते, बट अगर कोई उनको बोले तो वो आइडियाज अच्छे से फॉलो करते हैं. दे आर वेरी गुड इन कंप्लीटिंग दैट कमिटमेंट. एंड द लास्ट वन आर दोज पीपल who are high on curiosity as well as high on commitment. Now guys, be very very honest and ask yourself, आप कहाँ पर हो, आप कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आओगे. and for that let me take a poll. तो ये पोल में लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ, इसमें 4 ऑप्शंस है. Be honest and tell me which category you fall into. और ये आंसर पार्टिसिपेंट्स करेंगे, पेरेंट्स नहीं. लो क्यूरियोसिटी लो कमिटमेंट में आते हो आप, हाई क्यूरियोसिटी लो कमिटमेंट में आते हो, लो क्यूरियोसिटी हाई कमिटमेंट में आते हो, हाई क्यूरियोसिटी हाई कमिटमेंट में आते हो. Be honest guys, there is nothing right or wrong in this.
Sir, can you show the slideshow again? I was copying it because I didn't see what was written there. Okay,
Sure.
thank you.
Done? Okay, so guys, still voting is pending. I request all of you to vote. Quickly. Chalo. So now, everybody has voted. All the teenagers have voted. क्या लगता है guys, सबसे highest vote किसका रहेगा? Any idea?
Yeah, it will be for high commitment, high curiosity.
No, not necessary.
High
You guys are very
curiosity,
honest,
low
right?
commitment.
Hi,
I think it will be low curiosity and high
curiosity,
commitment.
low commitment.
Curiosity.
So guys,
High curiosity.
here are the answers.
High curiosity.
Answers.
Low.
So the highest is high curiosity, low commitment with 41%. low curiosity, high commitment with 36%, high curiosity with high commitment 24%. And you know what? In the morning we did this for another 70 students, and that time also high curiosity, low commitment 1. अच्छा, have you observed low curiosity, low commitment 0% है? पता है क्यों? क्योंकि वो टाइप के बच्चे वेबिनार में नहीं आएंगे. हेलो, ये कंपलसरी वेबिनार थोड़ी ना है स्कूल वाला. ये तो आप खुद से आए हो ना, because you want to do something in your life. You have some kind of curiosity, you have some kind of commitment, and that is the reason you are here. Okay? Now note down the percentages, because I am going to share कौन सा percentage का meaning क्या है, and remember what you have voted. Okay, so high curiosity, low commitment is 41, low curiosity, high commitment is 36, high curiosity, high commitment is 24. So now guys, let me tell you what does this mean for you. So let me start with the first quadrant, low curiosity, low commitment. We call them as pretenders. Pretenders मतलब ना, they always pretend that मेरे life में सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, but अंदर कुछ ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. They always try to pretend or copy. मतलब ना, कोई भी ट्रेंड आया ना, तो उसकी फ्रेंड अगर कुछ अच्छा ड्रेस पहनेगी, उसको भी वही ड्रेस चाहिए. उसके भाई ने शूज लिया, मुझे भी शूज चाहिए. मेरे दोस्त के पास मोबाइल है, मुझे मोबाइल चाहिए. All of them are pretenders. Okay, they like to copy, and most important, they like to follow. मतलब ना, ये लोग खुद कभी कंटेंट क्रिएट नहीं करेंगे, ये लोग दूसरे के कंटेंट को फॉलो करेंगे. यूट्यूब पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, ये लोग यूट्यूब पे जाके कमेंट्स डालेंगे. इनके पास उतना टाइम होता है कि यूट्यूब पे जाके कमेंट्स डाले. ओके, they are all pretenders. Second category, which received the highest number of votes, high curiosity and low commitment, are called as dreamers. ये लोग एक से एक बढ़िया ड्रीम, और इनका ड्रीम हर 2 महीने में चेंज होता है. ये लोग जो मूवी नेटफ्लिक्स पे देखेंगे ना, वो बनना चाहते हैं. So ना, the moment they see, I don't know what is in trend right now, but for example, लगान देखेंगे तो उनको क्रिकेटर बनना रहेगा. रॉक ऑन नहीं, रॉक स्टार देखेंगे तो उनको म्यूजिशियन बनना रहेगा. Okay, so what they will do is, whatever is in trend ना, they will try to start that trend, and 15 दिन बाद ना वो उनका नया ड्रीम आ जाता है. कमिटमेंट नहीं है. तो पापा को बोलेंगे, पापा मैं गिटार सीखना चाहता हूँ. पापा बेचारा 3,500 का गिटार लाके देंगे, गिटार का क्लास लगाएंगे, 3-4 कॉर्ड सीखेंगे, और बाद में वो गिटार धूल खा रहा है. ओके, आईपीएल स्टार्ट होने के बाद, पापा मैं क्रिकेट ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ. वापस क्रिकेट स्टार्ट करेंगे, विल लिव इन बिटवीन. आई वांट टू लर्न कोडिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे, 3-4 सेशन करेंगे, सर्टिफिकेट भी कर लेंगे, बट देन दे विल नॉट यूज दैट कोडिंग एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एज ड्रीमर्स. Okay, remember that dreamers are not bad. They are very high on curiosity, but commitment का issue. Third category is executioners. ये वो teenagers हैं जिनके पास ना amazing ideas नहीं आते, but they are very good at completing whatever is given to them. तो इनका होमवर्क हमेशा कंप्लीट रहता है, इनके असाइनमेंट्स कंप्लीट रहते हैं, इनको कोई भी काम दो 100% ऑन टाइम कंप्लीट होता है. सो इफ यू ऑब्जर्व ना गाइस, ऑल द बिग कंपनीज जहाँ पे ना सीईओ या फाउंडर है, बट उसके नीचे जो सीएक्सओ लोग होते हैं, चीफ मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर, चीफ फाइनेंस ऑफिसर, चीफ एचआर ऑफिसर, ऑल ऑफ देम आर एग्जीक्यूशनर्स. दे मे नॉट बी विजनरी, but once they see the vision, they can follow that. This is the third quadrant. Okay, and the last quadrant, the most important quadrant, which everybody wants to go, and that quadrant, guys, is called as quadrant of entrepreneurs. यहाँ पे ये वो teenagers हैं जिनके पास amazing curiosity है, and उनके पास वो कमिटमेंट भी है टू कंप्लीट देयर आइडियाज, टू कंप्लीट देयर इंटरेस्ट. नाउ गाइस, रिमेंबर दिस सीक्रेट. अगर ना, इफ यू वांट टू रियली बिकम सक्सेसफुल, really become a successful entrepreneur, you have to manage both curiosity and commitment. So if you're a dreamer today, start focusing on your commitment. Get someone to coach you. Get someone to be accountable for you. Get someone to increase your commitment. If you are an executioner, increase your curiosity. वरना as an executioner ना आप किसी दूसरे का ड्रीम पूरा करोगे. Okay? So always remember, if you are a pretender, it is okay. For pretender, jump to dreamer. Increase your curiosity. From curiosity, increase your commitment. And from commitment, you will become an entrepreneur. If you are an executioner, increase your curiosity first and then go to entrepreneurship. Most important fact, guys, सिर्फ आइडियाज होना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, कमिटमेंट भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. और सिर्फ कमिटमेंट होना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, आइडियाज भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. दैट इज अ परफेक्ट बैलेंस विच एंटरप्रेन्योर कैरीज. Okay, clear guys? Okay, so now what we'll do, I will again give you a 2 minutes of breakout room. 30 seconds, explain people in your breakout room, what have you learned from Secret 1 and Secret 2? Clear? Start. So guys, the action is find out one role model whom you admire a lot, जिसके जैसा आपको एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है फ्यूचर में, और उसके टॉप 3 क्वालिटीज टाइपिंग इन द चैट बॉक्स. 30 सेकेंड्स. सो आस्था, जेफ बेजोस के कौन से टॉप 3 क्वालिटीज आपको अच्छे लगते हैं वो भी लिखिए. सो नाम टॉप 3 क्वालिटीज, नाम टॉप 3 क्वालिटीज. स्टार्ट. Guys, you are just writing the name. नाम के नीचे उनके 3 क्वालिटीज सेम ही चैट में लिखो, बिकॉज सिंस so many people are chatting together, सबका मिक्स हो जाएगा. Okay, Tony Stark. Tony Stark will not be counted, guys. Tony Stark is a fictional character. I want real life characters. Good, Agnya, try again. You can take Robert Downey Jr. He himself is an amazing person, right? Okay, find out someone else. Oh, Kevin O'Leary. Who is written Kevin? Aisha. So Aisha is a big fan of Shark Tank, I believe. Ratan Tata, nice. Warren Buffett. My dad, very good. Bill Gates, Shoaib Akhtar. Marie Kom. Elon Musk, Emma Watson, that's nice. Ratan Tata, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, very good guys, super. So Leonardo da Vinci, I will not count him as an entrepreneur, but still. Carl Benz, invention, vision, success, very good. Mark Zuckerberg, confidence, very nice. Mukesh Ambani, patience, determination and perseverance, I agree. So Rehan, Shoaib Akhtar, fastest bowler, more wickets is not a quality. Shoaib Akhtar की qualities बताओ, उसने क्या किया है मैं बताओ. Ben Francis, Bill Gates, nice, superb. So guys, now I'm gonna give you a very powerful activity. You have to divide these qualities into 3 parts. मतलब मैं आपको 3 अलग अलग चीजें एक्सप्लेन करूंगा और आपको बताना है कौन सा क्वालिटी कहाँ पे बिलोंग करता है. So write down these 3 things as IQ, skills and EQ. IQ meaning intelligent quotient, skills and emotional quotient. Now IQ का मतलब है आपके पास नॉलेज कितना है, आपके पास कितना अच्छे से आप अपना नॉलेज यूज करते हो. कितना अच्छे से आप कैलकुलेशंस कर सकते हो, कितना अच्छे से आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हो, कितना अच्छे से आप डेटा एनालाइज कर सकते हो. ऑल दिस थिंग्स विल कम इन IQ. सेकेंड इज स्किल्स. स्किल्स मतलब आप कितना अच्छे से बात कर सकते हो, आप हार्ड वर्किंग हो क्या, आप पेंटिंग अच्छा बना सकते हो क्या, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड पीपल वेरी वेल. दैट विल कम अंडर स्किल्स. एंड द लास्ट वन इज EQ. EQ इज मोर ऑफ बिहेवियरल. आप अपने IQ और स्किल्स को कितना अमेजिंगली यूज कर सकते हो, दैट विल कम अंडर EQ. So to learn, to share from your examples, let's say Emma Watson ka Ananya has written passion, confidence and smile. So passion, confidence both will come in EQ. Smile, I will not consider that right now as a quality. Okay. J.K. Rowling, creative and hardworking. So creative will go under EQ, hardworking will go under skills. What you guys have written is Mukesh Ambani. For example, Ellen. So Prisha has written about Ellen. Outspoken, broad-minded. Both of them are EQ. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, nice. Commitment, independent, and a dream to make a world a better place. Rashi, what do you think? ये तीनों क्या है? IQ है, skills है, EQ है.
Skills and EQ.
Which one is skills, Rashi? Rashi, all three of them are EQ. Okay, good. So guys, अभी क्या करना है, आपने जो अपने रोल मॉडल्स की क्वालिटीज लिखे थे ना, उसके सामने लिखो कितना IQ वाला क्वालिटी है, कितना EQ वाला है और कितना स्किल्स वाला है. एंड देन गो फॉर दिस पोल. जहां पे आपको सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन लिखना है कि एक आपके रोल मॉडल में ज्यादा कौन से क्वालिटीज हैं, IQ ज्यादा है, स्किल ज्यादा है कि EQ ज्यादा है. क्विकली वोट.
Yeah, I'm Karthik. Can you repeat the meaning of IQ, EQ, and these skills?
Karthik, IQ means, so let me explain you in terms of which sports you play.
Pardon? I'm having some
Which
network
sports
issue.
you play?
I play basketball and then I play
Basketball,
chess.
super. So basketball का ना rules और regulations मालूम होना will come under IQ. Basketball को dribble करके, I don't know the exact terminology, but putting the ball in the actual basket will be the skill part. But to work for 16 hours a day, to practice even when you have lost a job, even when you have lost a match, to be confident, that part will come under EQ. So if you observe, Michael Jordan का अभी एक documentary आया है. Now, if you learn from the documentary on Netflix, you will see that he is not only the best player in terms of IQ and skills, he is the best player because he has high amount of EQ. Got it, Karthik?
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. So guys, the votes are here. Anybody still left? 10 seconds to go. Quickly mark down IQ क्या है, कौन सा ज्यादा है, IQ, skills की EQ आपके रोल मॉडल में. Okay, and I'm ending the poll right now. Any guesses, guys? किसका वोट ज्यादा रहेगा?
EQ.
Skills.
EQ.
EQ.
You guys are right. Here are the results. तो जितने भी लोग सक्सेसफुल हुए हैं, 58% qualities coming from EQ, 33% skills, 9% IQ. Now, guys, एक क्वेश्चन था मुझको. आपका IQ तो पढ़ाई में कवर हो रहा है, आपके एजुकेशन में कवर हो रहा है. Where are you learning your skills and EQ from?
I think
And that is
EQ is mainly from upbringing. I think.
right, and that is highly
skills are
influenced by
from
the EQ of
extra,
parents.
I think from co-curricular activities mainly, like playing sports. You gave an example of that. We learn a skill how to play, let us say, basketball or chess. So I think it comes from extracurricular activities.
So that is coming by default. Nobody is teaching you that, right? So guys, that is where our secret number 3 comes. Write down secret number 3, certainty versus uncertainty. See, right now जो हम लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं ना, in education world, we are given books. हम लोग को बोला जाता है बेटा ये बुक में से पढ़ो, इसमें से क्वेश्चन आएंगे. It is, the world is entirely dependent on certainty. Certainty मतलब मुझको मालूम है कि if I read this book, I'm gonna get answers from this book. Anybody here from 8th or 9th standard? Raise your hand.
Me, I'm from
I
8th.
am.
Sid, which standard you are in?
I'm studying in 8th right now.
8th. Sid, would you agree कि अगर तुमने तुम्हारा टेक्स्ट बुक अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लिया,
Yeah.
you will be getting good marks?
Yes.
Superb. Anybody here from 11th, 12th standard? Rashi?
Yes, sir. I am.
Rashi, would you agree that 11th, 12th में भी सेम केस है, अगर आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करोगे अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाएंगे?
Yes, sir.
Anybody here preparing for IIT? Agnya is there. Anybody else is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Agnya, मुझे बताओ IIT में ऐसा है क्या, वो जो IIT का बुक दिया है वो अगर मैं अच्छे से पढ़ लूंगा मुझे अच्छे से मार्क्स आ जाएंगे?
नहीं.
क्यों?
नहीं. That depends on your skills, how fast you solve problems and all.
Thank you, Agnya. Guys, understand this, huh? The entire schooling system is preparing you for certainty. जहाँ पे आपको मालूम है ये दिया जाएगा, ये आएगा. Real world में ऐसा नहीं है. Real world is like IIT. It is full of uncertainty. Let me take one example. I need a parent to help me out. Rehan. Hi, Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Rehan, I want to talk to your mom. Hi, what's your name? Rubina. Rubina, आप जब स्कूल में थे तो आपके स्कूल के टॉपर कौन थे?
Shoaib person, I don't know him now exactly. Shoaib करके एक था boy, he was a like really a great
topper.
Full
क्या
topper.
कर रहे हैं शोएब आज?
I think so he's the best doctor now. Doctor
Sorry?
he is, but
He's a doctor? Nice. Now, all the parents will agree to this, ना? कि जो हमारे स्कूल के टाइम पे जो टॉपर थे ना, वो जरूरी नहीं है रियल वर्ल्ड में भी टॉपर है. बिकॉज स्कूल में टॉप करना वॉज मोर ऑफ सर्टेनिटी. एक बुक दिया है, पढ़ाई करो, टॉप करो. बट रियल वर्ल्ड में ऐसा कोई बुक नहीं है. रियल वर्ल्ड में देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अनसर्टेनिटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I got 83% in 10th standard. I got 96% in 12th standard. I was the second topper in engineering, first topper in MBA, amazing professional HDFC Bank. And when I started my business 10 years back, I thought 3 साल के अंदर बिजनेस को इतना बड़ा बना दूंगा, इतना बड़ा बना दूंगा. 3 साल मेरा हालत खराब हो गया था. You know why? Because स्कूल में सर्टेनिटी था, कॉलेज में सर्टेनिटी था, ये करेंगे ये होगा, ये करेंगे ये होगा. MBA में भी कुछ हद तक सर्टेनिटी था. जॉब में आई वाज वर्किंग HDFC बैंक, अमेजिंग प्रोसेसेस, अमेजिंग सिस्टम. मतलब मैं चाहूँ तो भी गलती नहीं कर सकता, इतना अमेजिंग बैंक. बट द मोमेंट आई मूव टू माय ओन बिजनेस, आई वाज ओपन टू अनसर्टेनिटी. एंड अगर मेरे से एक भी गलती होता है, देयर इज नोबडी टू सेव मी. और इसका ना nobody is preparing us for uncertainty. Right now, majority of the school and education system is preparing us for certainty. And that is the reason बहुत सारे बच्चे 10th में 96-97% निकालते हैं और IIT में जाके इनका हालत खराब हो जाता है. Because IIT is all about uncertainty. यही बच्चे जॉब में अच्छा करते हैं बट बिजनेस करने से बहुत डरते हैं. बिकॉज उनको मालूम है कि बिजनेस में अनसर्टेनिटी बहुत ज्यादा है. और उसका रीजन ये है कि एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड में आईक्यू पे ज्यादा फोकस किया जाता है, जबकि रियल वर्ल्ड में आईक्यू के साथ साथ आपको स्किल्स और आपको ईक्यू भी चाहिए. एंड दैट इज सीक्रेट नंबर 3 गाइज. यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्किल्स एंड ईक्यू. आपको खुद डेवलप करना है, कोई आपको डेवलप करके देने नहीं वाला है. हाँ, यू कैन डेवलप द सेम वे आई डिड, बाय द हार्ड वे, बाय फेसिंग एक्चुअल फेलियर्स, और यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम समवन हु हैज डेवलप्ड इट. बट स्किल्स और ईक्यू डेवलप करना बहुत जरूरी है. जब तक आपके पास स्किल्स और ईक्यू नहीं है, सक्सेस विल बी फार फार अवे फ्रॉम यू गाइस. And you know what? So this last, what is the date today? 13 days back, 1st September 2020, I completed 10 years of Edify Labs. तो ये दिख रहा है आपको? See this. And the journey was like this actually, guys. Beginning बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा लगा. बाद में पहले 3 साल बहुत भारी पड़े. फिर I understood कि मुझे exactly क्या करना है. फिर struggle, फिर I got my purpose, and now I am here where I am creating a community of coaches and a community of teenpreneurs. So I realized that something has to be done, especially for teenagers, because teenagers के पास amazing dreams हैं, amazing potentials हैं, and somewhere down the line ना, at least in India, you don't have proper framework, proper infrastructure to give guidance to these dreams. Now let's see the simple example. All of you who want to become an entrepreneur, do you think this is the way you should do business? पहले initial excitement आना चाहिए, then we will create an idea, we will do a market check, and we will do a launch. This is what I thought 10 years back, and I started Edify Labs on 1st September 2010. And this is what in reality happened. पहले 3 महीने ना था कि लोग मेरे वर्कशॉप्स में, मेरे ट्रेनिंग्स में आएंगे, लोग नहीं आते थे. It was very sad. For example, guys, right now we are having 77 people in this group. Okay, let me tell you what happened 10 years back. I kept a program called as Purpose नाम का प्रोग्राम रखा 10th और 12th के बच्चों के लिए, फ्री प्रोग्राम. ठाणे में एक सहयोग मंदिर करके हॉल है, हॉल बुक किया, 200 चेयर्स रखे, 5 वॉलंटियर लेके गया मैं, एंड 16,000 पैम्पलेट बांटे इन ऑल द टॉप कॉम्प्लेक्सेस ऑफ ठाणे. कितने लोग आए रहेंगे मेरे फर्स्ट ओपन प्रोग्राम में? Any guesses? Raise your hand. 20. विजय 20. ओके, विजय 16,000 लोगों ने इनवाइट किया था.
7, 5, 10.
कार्तिक, how many? 5 or 10?
15,
5, 30,
15.
30, 25.
Vaibhav is saying
3 or
5.
5. 3 or 5.
10, 30.
No one would have come.
Guys.
No one. I think no one would have come.
No one. इतना बुरा नहीं था. So guys, उस दिन I remember मैं full white shirt, blue tie, वाइफ को लेके गया था, सिस्टर को लेके गया था, 3 फ्रेंड्स को बुलाया था. मैंने बोला था तुम लोग ऐसे से अरेंज करना है, चेयर्स अरेंज किए, 200 चेयर का सेटिंग कर दिया था और 50 चेयर रखे थे ताकि क्या पता ऑडियंस ज्यादा आ जाए, है ना. उस दिन गाइस 4 बजे का सेशन रखा था, 4:15 बजे तक 3 लोग आए. उसमें से एक जिसने पैम्पलेट प्रिंट किया था उसका बच्चा था. उसके पापा ने बोला उनसे 1000 रुपए लेने बाकी है, जाके लेके आओ. तो गाइस ट्रस्ट मी, यार बिजनेस आइडिया ना जितना माइंड में अमेजिंग लगता है ना, रियल वर्ल्ड में बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. What happened was, Ruchi, could you just mute if anybody is talking out of turn? Thank you. So मुझे डिस्कवर हुआ कि लोग ना मेरे बताए हुए प्रोग्राम्स में नहीं आएंगे. मैंने एक पेरेंटिंग का प्रोग्राम रखा था गाइस, अमेजिंग प्रोग्राम, only 3,000 rupees for 1 day entire workshop. सिर्फ 2 कपल्स आए. I realized that रियलिटी कुछ और है. जो मेरे दिमाग में है कि ये प्रोडक्ट चलेगा और रियलिटी में जो चल रहा है वो जरूरी नहीं है सेम होना चाहिए. After 3 years, I got the mindset आया कि चलो कुछ अच्छा करते हैं, ऐसा करते हैं जो लोगों को चाहिए. And then I started getting more different ideas. You know, guys, in 2014-15, I launched a company called as Edify TV, and I have produced 115 motivational films. I invested 55 lakh rupees. I thought people will love to watch motivational movies. Created its own platform and all, and it got busted. 1 साल बाद बंद करना पड़ा, सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं मिल रहे थे उसके लिए. सो ना ये अलग अलग सालों में ना मैंने अलग अलग चीजें सीखी हैं कि हाउ टू इन्फ्लुएंस पीपल, हाउ टू लॉन्च अ प्रोडक्ट. और अब भी कहीं पे 7-8 साल बाद आई फिगर्ड आउट हाउ टू एक्चुअली क्रिएट अ बिजनेस and how one can go through all these things and not waste and fail in reality. And for that, last June, I created a program to help teenagers don't go through this entire roller coaster. And that program is called as Teenpreneur Fellowship Program. In this Teenpreneur Fellowship Program, we created a 9-week online certification followed by 6-month fellowship. तो पहले आपको 9 weeks का एक टीनप्रेन्योर का सर्टिफिकेशन किया जाता है, which is live every Sunday morning. उसमें मेंटरिंग होता है, बहुत कुछ होता है, followed by 6 months of projects, जहाँ पे आप रियल लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हो. तो इसका ना बेसिकली 4 डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट्स हैं. सबसे पहला बेनिफिट इज यू गेट टू आइडेंटिफाई who you are. डिस्कवर सेल्फ होता है. आज के दिन में ना बहुत सारे टीनेजर्स को खुद ही मालूम नहीं है what they are really good at, what they should be doing in their life. They are just following whatever they are seeing on the net. They are following their friends. Never ever do that, guys. Follow yourself. If you follow someone else, you will be fulfilling their dreams, not yours. Second is, I want you guys to master expression. जिस तरीके से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ना, मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोगों को वैसे बात करने को आना चाहिए. आप लोगों ने बात सुनना चाहिए. You should be able to influence people. Third benefit that we offer is, in the 9 weeks, we get you through so many activities and challenges that your self-confidence is boosted to the next level. I will share certain examples of that. And most important, I want that your passion should be converted into profits. For example, what I'm doing right now, I love doing this. And at the same time, I'm making money out of it. And I want you to learn that trick. Future benefit for you guys to start early is, start early, guys. 22-23 साल तक वेट मत करो, बहुत लेट हो जाता है. मेरे केस में ना, I started early because of a tragedy. So I'll share something very personal. So 11th में ना मैं था केजे सोमया में. केजे सोमया विद्याविहार करके कॉलेज है, वहाँ पे गुजराती लड़के बच्चे बहुत आते हैं. तो ना वहाँ पे ना सब लोग ना, लड़कों में एक फैशन था, सब लोग स्पोर्ट्स शूज, ब्लू जीन्स और टी शर्ट पहनते थे वो टाइम पे. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2001. तो मुझको भी स्पोर्ट्स शूज पहनना था. तो पापा के पास गया, पापा को बोला स्पोर्ट्स शूज चाहिए. पापा ने बोला कौन सा? मैंने बोला नाइकी. मैंने बोला कितने का आता है? तो मैंने पता किया, मैंने बोला पापा 1200 का. पापा बोलते 1200 में मेरा पूरा 3 पीस आ जाता है. बोला नहीं पापा मुझे चाहिए वो. तो somehow ना my father arranged it, and दिवाली में मुझे नाइकी का शूज दिया. प्लेन सिंपल व्हाइट शू, ब्लू का नाइकी मार्क था उसके ऊपर. एंड आई यूज्ड टू फील वेरी गुड अबाउट इट. 11th हो गया, 12th हो गया. 12th में the tragedy was during my exams. 1 month before the exam, my father expired. And I got good marks in 12th standard, but ना पैसे नहीं थे, तो I wanted to earn pocket money for my graduation. So इंजीनियरिंग करते करते एक मुंबई में कार्ला शुक्ला नाम का क्लास है, वहां पे मैं पेपर चेक करता था, वहां पे मैं सुपरविजन करता था. एंड द फर्स्ट मंथ आई वर्क देयर, आई मस्ट हैव चेक्ड लाइक 200 पेपर्स. एंड सुपरविजन मतलब ना आपको एग्जाम के टाइम पे खड़ा रहना पड़ता है, बच्चों को कॉपी करने से रोकना होता है. ऐसे कुछ 5-6 घंटा नहीं, फर्स्ट मंथ वॉज 8 घंटा खड़ा था, कुछ 200 पेपर चेक किए. एंड आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट चेक. And my first check was of 850 rupees. And that day I realized कि 850 rupees कमाना कितना मुश्किल है. उसके बाद 2 साल तक no Nike, no Levi's, nothing. I now use all the branded stuff. ये branded है, ये branded है. But today I earn and I spend. So now I want you guys to feel how money is made. And once you make money early in your life, दो चीजें होती है. एक तो fear of money चला जाता है, and second is your respect for money goes to the next level. See, आज जब हम लोग खर्चा करते हैं ना, तो आज पापा मम्मी का पैसा है. I know you respect that, but जब आप खुद पैसा अर्न करके खर्च करोगे ना, उसका मजा ही कुछ और है. Okay, so that's fifth benefit. Early start. You will also have an amazing understanding of how business works. हमारे जो अभी ग्रेजुएट टीन ट्रेनर्स है ना, ये लोग का अभी ना दुनिया को देखने का नजरिया चेंज हो गया है. ये लोग डीमार्ट में जाते हैं ना, तो डीमार्ट में जाके ना वो लोग वैल्यू एडिशन देखते हैं. ये लोग यूट्यूब पे वीडियो गेम खेलते हुए बच्चों को देखते नहीं है. ये लोग स्लाइड बीन देखते हैं, ये लोग शार्क टैंक देखते हैं. ओके, they don't get inspired by other entrepreneurs. They now study them. So this is an amazing benefit where you change your perspective altogether. Sixth benefit is you will get a right career choice. See, मेरे केस में क्या हुआ पता है guys? मेरे केस में ना मैंने इंजीनियरिंग किया, MBA किया, बैंक में जॉब किया और बाद में रियलाइज किया ये मेरे लिए ठीक नहीं है. तब तक मेरे 10 साल जा चुके थे. What if you get to experience projects right now, which will help you decide what is good for you, what is not good for you. And based on that, take a call after 10th, after 12th. Plus, all those who want to go for college admissions to US and UK, that project that we are going to do is going to be phenomenal on your resume. ये आज के दिन में ना कोई नहीं कर रहा है इंडिया में. And last and most important is, I want you to be creating a legacy. See, I want you guys to be the Harry Potter. Harry Potter मालूम है ना, हॉगवर्ट्स में जाने से पहले उसका चर्चा होता है. तो वैसे ना तुम्हारा चर्चा तुम्हारे कॉलेज में जाने से पहले होना चाहिए. यार वो जो आ रही है ना, उसने ये प्रोजेक्ट किया था, उसका पेपर में नाम आया था, उसको ये अवार्ड मिला था, उसको ये मिला था, वो मिला था. So these are the benefits on which you have devised this program. Most important is you will get to be a part of an awesome teenpreneur community. So first batch के 15 graduates हैं. Second batch we are starting from 4th of October. So third batch, fourth batch ऐसे करके ना हम लोग एक 100-200,000 teenpreneurs का community बनाएंगे, जहाँ पे like-minded teenagers होंगे, which will work together. मेरे जैसे coaches और mentors होंगे, and plus we will be also including successful entrepreneurs to be a part of the community. See, the dream is that I know for sure that अपने teenager बच्चे are super intelligent, but the problem is उनको ना proper platform नहीं मिल रहा है. Have you observed that US में बहुत सारे teenager बच्चे during their college startups चालू करते हैं? अपने यहाँ पे बच्चे होशियार बहुत हैं, but वो focus कर रहे हैं jobs पे. और यही बच्चे बाद में इंजीनियरिंग करके, MBA करके, MS करके US में जाके उनके स्टार्टअप्स में जॉब करते हैं. My dream is, why don't we start that here? Why don't we recreate that startup का culture here early in our life? That is the idea behind creating a teenpreneur community. And this is the framework, guys. So the framework is pretty sleek, totally action-oriented framework है. I want only 5 hours per week. That's it. 2.5 hours का Sunday morning 8 o'clock को सेशन होगा. 2 घंटे के आपको असाइनमेंट दे जाएंगे, जो आप अपने टाइम के हिसाब से कभी भी कर सकते हो. और वीक में आपको एक पर्सनल मेंटर असाइन किया जाएगा. So we have got a team of 63 licensed purpose coaches who are all certified coaches. वो आपको मेंटरिंग करेंगे 1-to-1 for 9 weeks. The entire program will be designed in such a way that you will be ready for business success in the future. This is the structure of the program. The first 3 weeks, you will find out all about yourself. Who are you? Why are you doing this? What is entrepreneurship 101? What is the basic of entrepreneurship? What are the qualities of entrepreneur? What are entrepreneur myths? Then we will work on decoding prep secrets, discovering me. Now this is amazing, huh? Guys, in teenpreneurship, we believe that entrepreneur is more important than the idea. आइडिया बहुत अमेजिंग रहेगा, entrepreneur वीक रहेगा, बिजनेस कभी चलेगा नहीं. बट entrepreneur बहुत अमेजिंग रहेगा, आइडिया थोड़ा वीक रहेगा, फिर भी वो सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस बना सकता है. Why? Because he is very clear with his me values. So we help you find your me values, business values, and customer values, based on which you will not only create one business, you can create multiple businesses. We will teach you how to create a right product, market research, how to find the right audience, how to create an amazing user experience, and how to price your product. We will work on your increased awareness, how to develop articulation and storytelling, project. Now this is the fun part. In the 8th week, we'll ask you to design projects. So after the 9 weeks are done, we give you 6 months of fellowship, जिसमें आपको 2 प्रोजेक्ट करने होते हैं. एक प्रोजेक्ट आप अकेले करोगे, एक प्रोजेक्ट आप कम्युनिटी के साथ करोगे, और ये प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन और पिच आप करोगे. Then we also teach you how to do sales, how to manage money, how to create a social media presence. Guys, I'll show you something magical. How many of your parents are on LinkedIn right now? कितने parents
My
LinkedIn पे
dad
हाथ
is
ऊपर
on
करो?
LinkedIn.
Super guys. So all the parents on LinkedIn, go today and find out this. Find out our page on LinkedIn. It is called as Teenpreneur Fellowship Community. And you will see that all of our teenpreneurs have written posts. तो ये उनके videos हैं जो उन्होंने project pitch किया था. But इसके अलावा, for example, if you see Agastya is there, Ashwika is there, Kimaya, all of them are there, and they write amazing posts now, guys. So I'm just searching for Niyati. So Niyati is one of our teenpreneurs. So if you go on her post, she writes amazingly well. See this. Must watch, huh? You should go and actually read this. So all of our teenpreneurs are creating a strong social media presence. And not only normal Instagram, Facebook, they are actually creating something on LinkedIn. Now in this live project, what will happen is you can visit our website afterwards. Our website is teenpreneurship.in. और आप teenpreneurship.in पे जाओगे और यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे ना गाइज, our teenpreneurs पे, यहाँ पे आप 15 के 15 teenpreneurs का प्रोजेक्ट पिच देखोगे. एंड ओ माय गॉड, एक से एक बढ़िया पिच है. Do go through this after the session is done. You will enjoy. And this is what you guys will be doing at the end of the program. So to give you just a brief idea, let me see how many of us are here from the past batch. So, and I will request you guys to take 1 minute, share your experience of teenpreneurship and what is your project all about and when are you going to launch it. So I can see Kimaya. Hi Kimaya. Kimaya, could you share with everyone how was your experience and what is your project?
Yeah, so the 9 weeks of teenpreneurship journey were honestly very amazing. In the first statement they said,
Kimaya, can be a little bit louder?
All the myths about entrepreneurship were totally taken out of her mind, and a new concept of what entrepreneurship actually is was introduced to us, and it was very amazing. It was like the entrepreneurship community is saving 10-20 years of our struggle, which is minimized the struggle, and it's very the for thoda things that we got to learn, but in the end, it was very nice that it made us clear about who we are, discovering ourselves, and it was nice. I would like to become independent, and by this entrepreneurship journey, it will help me become independent at a very early age, and it will improve and help me become successful very soon.
Super. So guys, Kimya's Instagram page will be ready by Kimya. कब तक project launch हो जाएगा? October, November? October तक हो जाएगा, right? Super. So guys, let us listen to Niyati. Hey Niyati.
Good evening, coach.
Hi Niyati.
How are you? How is everyone?
Good.
Okay.
Good. Please share your experience and what is your project all about?
Okay, so I am Niyati. I am 14 and I live in Hyderabad. And before I joined this program, I was very shy and I was totally disorganized. I had no idea what am I doing. I was continuously watching stuff and then studying, and no work life balance, anything. So after this program, I have actually organized I have set up a routine and I'm doing according to it. I'm doing everything during the day according to this, and it has helped me in few life values like discipline, resilience, punctuality. It helps me finish my tasks, especially school activities, in time. So that's the total experience that you get from this. It's not entrepreneurship, but also discovering yourself and developing self-development of your mind and your mind and everything. And on 31st August, all of us had all us teenpreneurs of batch 1 had pitched our projects, and I'm going to create a website, and it's a really mind-blowing pitch. You all have to go and watch it on our website, teenpreneurship.in. So it's about Connect Junior, and in the next 3 months, by December, my website will be ready. So hope you all join my website.
Super. So Niyati, guys, is creating a social media platform for teenagers where you will help each other grow. You will share your achievements, you will share positive things, and not only about your selfies. Super, Niyati. So one more sharing I will take from Anaya. Anaya is our batch 1 graduate from Tokyo. Hi Anaya.
Hello coach. So basically I am from Tokyo. I'm 16 and currently I'm studying in grade 12. So when I joined this program, it was during the lockdown, right? So all of us were super unproductive, and as Niyati said, we were all disorganized. When I joined the program, I got to know that how important it is to manage your time and manage whatever you're doing. Through this program, I got to know that. And I had so much, something I had been creating an image about entrepreneurship that was wrong. So Coach Nitish helped me bust those images and then get a proper view about what entrepreneurship really is. So yeah, and working through it, I worked on this project called SAD, Together Let's Make a Difference. So through all of this, the only goal I had was to make a difference in someone's life. So through my project as an teenpreneur, I'm going to do that, and I'll get back to you on my social media. So yeah, you can find me on LinkedIn.
Super guys, super. So guys, we have more teenpreneurs. I will take the sharing later on. So the idea is, एक साइड पे आप सीखोगे 9 वीक, उसके बाद 6 महीना आप प्रोजेक्ट करोगे. Now trust me, this is not going to hamper your studies. In fact, this is going to help you do better studies. तो जितने भी हमारे टीनप्रेनर्स हैं, सबका एक कॉमन, हम लोगों ने उनके पेरेंट्स से बात किया. We have noticed that they are now more focused. They have now better relationship with their parents, and now they are doing more value-adding things in their life. Okay, so this is the core. This is the reason that that is the intention of teenpreneurship. So ये जो 6 months है ना guys, ये magical रहेगा. और इसके बाद ये 5 values है, जिसके ये हमारे 5 pillars हैं. As I said, the first pillar is adding value. We make sure that our teenpreneurs learn to add value. फिर वो studies में हो, parents के साथ हो, friends के साथ हो, health में हो, they need to add value. They learn developing resilience. जो आपने पढ़ा था curiosity versus commitment, resilience is सबसे important. Curiosity है but resilience नहीं रहेगा ना, commitment कभी आएगा नहीं. Adaptability, how to change. Expression, how to communicate your ideas so that others will listen to you. And most important is getting results. फिर वो results again पढ़ाई में हो, health में हो, relationship में हो. ये 5 हमारे बेस हैं जिसके ऊपर पूरा प्रोग्राम is decided, is based on, is founded on. So this is the program admission details. So right now, from today onwards, we are opening the admission for our second batch starting on 4th of October. It is very simple. You have to go to teenpreneurship.in. Teenpreneurship.in पे आप जाओगे. Click here on Become a Teenpreneur. Become a Teenpreneur पे जाके you will be getting an application form here. You click on this application form. This form will open up जहाँ पे जाके आपको apply करना है, nominate करना है खुद को. जितने भी बच्चे nominate करेंगे, सबसे पहला उनका और उनके पेरेंट्स का एक induction call होगा. और induction call के बाद selected few will be taken to the batch. हम लोग को ऐसे बच्चे चाहिए जिनके पास ना ड्रीम और इंटेंशन है टू डू समथिंग बिग. The fees for the certification is 40,000 plus GST and the 6-month fellowship is 20,000 plus GST. The 9-week certification will happen on Sundays, morning 8 o'clock to 10:30. 6-month fellowship will follow after that. अगर आपके 6-month fellowship के बीच में आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम या कोई इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्स आते हैं, you will be given a break in your fellowship as well. Now comes the final, the bonus secret. Okay.
So,
Yes.
So can you repeat that again because I didn't hear it properly. That's why.
Which one, Rehan?
But this certification that all you told which.
Okay. So for certification, Rehan, you have to go to teenpreneur.in. वहाँ पे become a teenpreneur करके पेज रहेगा. वहाँ पे फॉर्म है. फॉर्म पे क्लिक करके आप नॉमिनेट करो. नॉमिनेट करने के बाद you will get a call from our office. We will have an induction call with me. We will do a 10-minute induction with your parents and yourself, and then you can enroll. Okay. Now, any questions so far, guys? Before I move to the final secret. Okay. Chalo. Now comes the bonus secret, which I have promised you, which will save your life by 10 years. All of you ready for that? Type in ready in your chat box. I should see at least 50 readies. Then I will start. Wow. Matter of 1 minute. Superb. So now, bas ho gaya. Guys, 61 ho gaye. Thank you. So now let's move to the next final secret, bonus secret. Okay. Everybody take a deep breath in because this is gonna save 10 years of your life. Everybody breathe in, breathe out. So now understand this, guys. Quickly make this diagram if you want. Every human being in their entire life goes through 4 phases, 4 levels. The first level is called as dependent, where he is dependent on someone else. The second level is called as independent, when the person becomes independent. Now he can manage his own life. The third level is called as dependable, जहाँ पे दूसरे उसके ऊपर depend करते हैं. And चौथा level is called as contributor, जहाँ पे now he is not only helping himself and his family, he is now contributing to the world. Now, in normal scenario, this happens. For example, Kaushiki. Hi, Kaushiki.
Hi, sir.
Kaushiki, how old are you right now?
I am 15.
Super. Kaushiki, would you agree that you are right now dependent on your parents?
Yes.
कब तक रहोगे dependent बताओ?
I'm not sure about that.
फिर भी अंदाज एक रेंज बताओ ना. Let's say you're 15, you must be in 10th standard. इसके बाद आप 10th करोगे, 12th करोगे, 17
I'm
हो
actually
जाओगे.
in 11th. I'm like
11th
my
करोगे.
birth.
So 16th में आप 12th कर लोगे, 20th में आप ग्रेजुएशन कर लोगे, 22 साल तक पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करोगे, उसके बाद आप जॉब करोगे.
Yeah.
So by 2025 you will be more or less independent.
Yeah.
Right? उसके बाद आप independent बनोगे. You will have your own job, you will have your own house, you will get married, have family, and then once you become a parent, you will become dependable, because now your kids will be depending on you.
Yeah.
Right? So guys, this is the phase normally all of us will go through. Like for example, I am doing that right now. So dependent 20 to 25 years, independent 25 to 35 years, then you become dependable, जहाँ पे आप सबके parents आज है, you are dependable, और उसके बाद आता है contribution. But guys, एक चीज क्या होती है मालूम है? बहुत सारे लोग ना dependable पे आके रुक गए हैं. वो लोग dependable के ऊपर contribution में जा नहीं रहे. पता है क्यों? They are 40, 45 now. They are taking care of their families. They also want to do something good in their life. They also want to do something big in their life. They want to contribute, but they are not doing it. You know the reason why? Because my guys, ये 35, 40 years आते आते ना थक गए. Hunger and hunger खत्म हो गया. एक request है guys. अच्छा, that is not bad, huh? They are taking care of the families, they are dependable, it is perfectly right. But now, if you really want to fulfill purpose, you have to reach to the position of contributor, where you are not only taking care of yourself, your family, but you're also helping others. Remember, आपने जब जन्म लिया और आपने जब ये वर्ल्ड से एग्जिट किया, ये दोनों के बीच में आपके वजह से वर्ल्ड में कुछ अच्छा होना चाहिए. That is called as making a difference. And trust me, ये बातें अभी बहुत और लगेंगी, but after 40, 50, 60, you will realize, and this is what everyone is telling now. Bill Gates भी यही बोल रहा है, Warren Buffett भी यही बोल रहा है, रतन टाटा भी यही बोल रहा है. Everybody will tell you this after they become successful. I am telling you right now. Okay? So what I request you guys is, don't wait for 20, 25 years to become independent. Start this journey right now. ये डिपेंडेंसी है ना, चलो पैसे के लिए you will be dependent, but emotionally strong बनो, EQ develop करो, skills develop करो, become independent, start doing some project on your own, become dependable. By the age of 20, 25, I don't want you guys to ask for a job, I want you guys to give jobs. Have you guys heard the story of Ritesh Agarwal? Oyo Rooms? Amazing story. He's just 26 right now, and his company has 22,000 employees.
So I didn't get the name that you said.
Ritesh Agarwal. जब वो 15 साल का था तब वो सिम कार्ड बेचता था गाइस. Okay, so hustle is important. I want you guys, by the time you're 24, see, मैं बताऊं तुम लोग को, do something challenging that will make your life, that will make you grow in your life. See, आप सब लोग मानते हो ना that you guys are amazingly talented and have lot of potential, but वो potential और talent को अगर right direction नहीं मिलेगा ना, you will waste that talent, you know where? वो देखा आप लोगों ने Instagram पे ऐसे लोग हाथ ऊपर करके डांस करते रहते हैं, I am savage. ये सब में talent waste होगा. Okay, trust me, waste होगा. You will be getting on nonsense websites, wasting time. दूसरों को वीडियो गेम खेलते हुए देखोगे. वो कौन है वो यूट्यूबर? कैरी मिनाटी. कैरी मिनाटी ने क्या किया है इसके ऊपर मारामारी होगा, या फिर जो अभी चल रहा है ना शिवसेना वर्सेस कंगना रनावत, इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन होगा. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, ऑल दिस will not take you ahead in your life. Find out who you are, find out what you want to do, focus all your energies there. And trust me, whatever I'm saying, you will see a lot of talented people will start consuming all this nonsense. Why? Because they don't have a clear vision of their life. और ये सब रियलाइज होगा जब 50 साल के हो जाएंगे, घर होगा, गाड़ी होगी, बच्चे होंगे, बट कहीं ना डीप इनसाइड फील होगा कि आई स्टिल नॉट डन समथिंग बिग इन माय लाइफ. आई एम श्योर आपके कुछ पेरेंट्स को होता रहेगा, बट गाइज एज अ टीनेजर आपके पास वो टाइम आज है. ओके, आई वांट यू गाइज टू स्टार्ट अर्ली इन योर लाइफ एंड दिस इज गोना हेल्प यू बिग टाइम. नाउ रही बात ये पैसों की. So I know this is huge fees. Let me help you guys. Okay. So what I will do is I will give you 50% का scholarship. Now 50% जो बचा हुआ fees है ना 30,000 plus GST, you can take from your parents only on one condition. And that condition is they are not paying your fees. They are investing in your company. पेपर पे लिख के पेरेंट्स 30,000 का आप अपने बच्चे के कंपनी में लोन डाल रहे हो. ओके, एंड दे विल बिकम फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टर्स ऑफ योर कंपनी. ओनली ऑन दिस क्लॉज you have to give money for this program. You can split this 30,000 plus GST into two parts. Right now you can pay 20,000 at the time of admission, and remaining 15,400 you can pay after 1 month. Guys, simple focus hai. Focus is to create amazing teenpreneurs. So all those who are interested, please go to teenpreneurship.in right now. I am giving you 1 day ka advance. Tomorrow onwards the admission will be open for the entire world. This right now will be open for all those who attended सुबह का session और आज का session. After this, it will be open, and once we touch 30 participants, we will close the admission for this batch. Clear? Everyone? So now, question time. So now I will open it for question and answer. In the meantime, when others are asking questions and those who don't have a question, I have an activity for you. Everybody open their mobile phones please and go to this website called as menti.com.
Sir, I'll be back. I need to get the phone.
Sure. Go to www.menti.com. Use the code 2362222 and write down one amazing learning that you got from this workshop. One amazing learning that you got from this workshop. Quickly type in. In the meantime, I'm opening the floor for questions. All those who have any questions, please feel free to ask right now. Others can start sharing their top learning. It will come live here. Yes, Rohan, you had a doubt?
Yeah, I wanted to ask in the first slide, first trick, I guess. Yeah.
First secret.
So my question was, what do you think what led to the change in the number of jobs that people used to take up?
So रोहन कैसा है मालूम है, पहले ना लोग जॉब ना सर्वाइवल के लिए करते थे, बट जब सर्वाइवल फुलफिल हो गया ना तो लोगों को प्लेजर में जाना है, तो प्लेजर के लिए करने लग गए और फिर बाद में पैशन की तरफ आ गए. हाँ, सो टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट ना, अपने दादाजी ने एक ही जॉब में इसलिए किया बिकॉज ना उनके पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. उनको भी कोई मजा नहीं आता था रेलवेज में 50-50 साल काम करने को, बट उनको ना आपके पापा मम्मी को रेडी करना था. आपके पापा मम्मी, इफ यू आस्क देम डू दे रियली एंजॉय देयर जॉब, द आंसर इज नो. बट व्हाई दे आर डूइंग दैट? बिकॉज दे लव यू गाइस. and they are sacrificing all that because you can get a better future. ये ना रोहन हम लोग को तब तक पता नहीं चलेगा जब तक अपना खुद का बच्चा नहीं होता है. Okay, so but at the same time they want you to do better things, and that is the reason. The best part is you guys have got that opportunity to do something amazing. Don't miss this opportunity. Any questions, parents?
So,
Feel free, guys, because your question may help others also.
so
Yes.
what mistake did you make as an entrepreneur?
So my mistake was very honestly speaking, I did not have someone to tell me what to do. So I'm being very honest. And मैं ना कैसा मालूम है guys? चलो तुम लोग को नया concept बताता हूँ. Since you have asked a very powerful question. Who asked this question?
Aisha.
आयशा कहाँ हो? दिख नहीं रहे हो आप? हाँ आयशा. आयशा आपका favorite actor कौन है?
I don't really have one.
ठीक है नाम लो ना.
Patricia Heaton.
My God, I don't know her. Patricia
Heaton.
Heaton. कौन से movies किए उसने बताओ?
She has done a series called The Middle.
The Middle. Now Patricia Heaton is a very good actress.
Yeah.
Right? Does she require a director?
She does.
उसको वो डायरेक्टर चाहिए ना? क्यों चाहिए आयशा? वो तो अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है ना, वो तो अपना एक्टिंग अच्छे से कर लेगी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के. डायरेक्टर क्यों चाहिए उसको?
To guide her.
हाँ बट क्या गाइड करना है? डायरेक्टर इज नॉट अ एक्टर, राइट?
But the director is the visionary, no? He knows how he wants the end product to look like.
Very good, very good. How old are you, Aisha?
I'm 17.
Superb, Aisha. Amazing answer. So Aisha, मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या था मालूम है? मेरा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में ना मेरे पास डायरेक्टर नहीं था. मैं ही अपने पिक्चर का शाहरुख खान था और मैं ही अपना एक्टिंग करते जा रहा था जो मुझे ठीक लग रहा था. In 2017, I got a coach for myself. And after that, my life changed. And that is what we are doing now. That is the reason I will be a coach for you in teenpreneurship. And also you will be getting one mentor assigned. Because आपको नहीं मालूम है आप जो कर रहे हो सही कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो. एक थर्ड पर्सन, एक डायरेक्टर आपको बोल सकता है आप सही कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो. Thank you, Aisha. Very powerful point.
Welcome.
Any more questions, guys? Ask. I'm sure आपका क्वेश्चन किसी न किसी को हेल्प करेगा.
Sir,
Raise your hand.
this is Aditya Goel. This is Aditya Goel speaking. Sir,
Aditya.
if someone like I'm currently in 10th standard, if I'm going to IIM after 12th standard, if I'm going to any business institute, so won't I learn like this in that institute? Like what advantage
Aditya,
will it have?
Aditya, I'll tell you something. And you can ask our teenpreneurs or you can ask our mentors. What you're going to learn here right now, no B school will ever teach you that. So this is all practical studies. जो हमारे ऐसे कुछ mentors हैं जो लोग international coaches हैं, जो लोग internationally startups के साथ काम करते हैं, who have work experience of 30-40 years, and they have told me that what they have learned, what they are seeing that what we are teaching is far ahead than any other MBA. I don't want to boast on myself, but trust me, अगर आदित्य आप जो अभी कर रहे हो ना, ये अभी आप सीख लोगे ना 9 weeks में, it is gonna help you. आप जब IIM में जाओगे ना, आप वहां पे हैरी पॉटर बन के जाओगे. आप IIM में जाने से पहले आपके 3 स्टार्टअप रेडी रहेंगे. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
This will also give you a better chance to get into IIM in the first place. Because IIM में जो भी बच्चे अप्लाई करने वाले हैं, बहुत रेयरली ऐसा होगा जिसने खुद का स्टार्टअप चालू किया रहेगा.
Right.
Okay. Always, और most important ना आदित्य, जब तुम early start करोगे ना, you can do bigger things in the future. Any more questions, guys?
So I have a question.
Yeah, Ananya.
So I'm homeschooled. I don't have that much opinion about school and all. So I had a question like, if supposing I want to start a bakery or something.
Okay.
Most people, like I've heard in the newspapers, that they criticize people for being homeschooled and not going to school. I've heard in
Sorry, could you repeat that?
some people in the newspapers, they criticize the people who have not been to school and are homeschooled, and they think that they can't do anything because they don't have the experience. So if I want to start a bakery or anything, so how will I get viewers? How will I get subscribers? If like
Anya, let me tell you one magical thing. In order to become a successful entrepreneur, don't listen to everyone. Listen to only 3 people. Write it down. Your customers, your investors, and yourself. That's it. Or news wala na, Ananya, I will give you $1 billion advice today. Stop watching news. You will be far successful any which ways. Guys, trust me, this is for everyone. News देखना बंद कर दो. वो जो अभी हुआ ना कंगना वाला केस, मुझे 5 दिन मतलब परसों पता चला कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है. वो भी मम्मी ने मुझे बताया, नीतीश ने देखा उसका बंगला गिरा दिया. मैंने बोला ऐसे थोड़ी कर सकते हैं कोई. एंड मैंने न्यूज में देखा एक्चुअल में ऐसा हुआ है. एंड एवरीबडी इज बिहाइंड देम. एंड यू नो दैट इज सच स्टूपिडिटी कि प्राइम टाइम में हम लोग घर पे खाना खाते हुए एक साइड पे कंगना अपना अटेंशन ले रही है, एक साइड पे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अपना अटेंशन ले रहा है. व्हाट आर वी गेटिंग? Are we growing? Are we making money? Are we getting a job? Are we starting our business? No. हाँ, सुबह बच्चे को लेके मैं पार्क में गया था, वहां पे 4 बुड्ढे अंकल डिस्कस कर रहे, ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, महाराष्ट्र में रहना है तो महाराष्ट्र का मान. मैंने बोला अंकल, मैंने बोला नहीं एक्चुअली, मैं बोलने वाला था कि आप अंकल एक्सरसाइज कर लो ना, आप क्यों अपना ये कर रहे हो? So all the teenpreneurs, all the teenagers, news is bad. पढ़ना है तो चुपचाप इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स पढ़ो. That's it. Yes, Vijay. Ananya. So coming back to you, don't give a damn to what people say. If you believe and you have an amazing product, people will come to you. We will teach you how to do that.
That's the same, because some people like to be they like to put comments on the news. Like if there's something going on, like an IPL match or something, they would scream and say that, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? That people like to give comments to the TV.
Always remember, Ananya, in Instagram language, do you want to become a blue tick person or you want to become a troller? And take a call accordingly. Okay? Vijay, you had a doubt?
Yeah.
No, I have a question.
Yes, Vijay.
Good evening, sir. Yeah, so basically you had told us about the first secret, right? That we should not prepare ourselves for one career, but we should prepare ourselves for multiple careers. So now, basically in this present scenario, we require one career in our aspect, like it's a necessity. So which career or field do you think is more apt for us to help us to get more multiple careers?
Super. So let me ask you a question. What is your favorite sweet?
What is my favorite?
Sweet?
I forgot the name of it. Kaju Katli.
Kaju Katli.
Yeah.
Kalash, what is your favorite sweet?
Rasgulla, sir.
Vijay, why don't you have Rasgulla? Rasgulla is full in demand.
Because I like Kaju Katli.
Exactly. So career option में ना ऐसा choose करो जो तुमको पसंद है. I will teach you how to make money out of it. Getting it?
Yes.
Super. Any questions? Any doubts, guys? Yes,
Yeah.
तुम लोग के सबके नाम बहुत डेंजर हैं. हाँ अग्न्या.
So I wanted to ask, how can you manage multiple startups? Like if you have already have startups on.
Always remember, you are asking me or you are asking for yourself?
Asking you.
I don't manage multiple startups. I have only 185 labs.
And for myself too.
Huh. So always remember, this is a good question. I normally teach this in teenpreneurship. Never ever start 2 startups at the same time. Start with one, make it big, then start others.
What if you have already started many?
You will lose focus. You will never, sorry to say, but you will not be able to give 100% to anyone. Don't do that. If you are doing that, उसमें से एक select करो, बाकी को बैक बर्नर पे डालो और एक पे फोकस करो.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. So let me go to the feedbacks. What you guys have written so far. Oh, nice, superb. So 33 of you have commented. Wow. Nice.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm a parent and asking this question, you have a pretty good range of age, right, for the program.
Yeah.
Asking on behalf of everybody, how do you plan to balance, or how do you generally balance, the age difference?
So what we do is we divide them into different teams. So within a batch, we have 5 teams: Musk, Jobs, Gates, Ambani, and Tata. And every team has got 4 to 5 participants assigned with one coach. And we purposefully keep different age group ka people in one group so that everybody is able to learn from everyone. Right now in our team, if you see, Manan is there, who is 12-year-old. Rudra is there. Prisha, how old are you?
I'm 13.
So Prisha is 13-year-old and Kimaya and Anaya are 17-year-old. And they all are able to learn from each other. We give them independence to have their own ideas. Is that clear?
Sure. Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, hi. I had a question too.
Yes.
So I'm Nupur here, I'm Aradhana's mom. And so I was wondering, she's in grade 10 right now. And she'll be going, she has her boards coming up next year. And after that, they're planning to go out in the 11th and 12th. So when they start a venture, how will they carry it forward? Or maybe should she do it after 12th?
No. So right now we have got a 10th child candidate, Divij Joshi, in batch 1. So the idea is if she does it right now, her batch will start in October. Her batch will finish by December. She can start the project and take a break for a board exam. So I've told all the board exam people can take a break during the community period. And once the community period is done, she can continue that project immediately. So we are not asking anyone to start businesses. We are asking them to start projects. That project can be even completed in 1 month. We want them to experience to do something on their own that will boost their self-confidence to the next level, which not only will help you in your college admissions, but also help you big time in your board exams.
So right now also in their classes, like because they didn't have their 9th, and she comes from an alternate method of education. So they are not in the very, I don't know if you've heard of Waldorf school. So when you were talking about, building of skills and emotional quotient, and these are the things that they build up in the school, I think you should really see Waldorf.
Could you name it again?
WALDORF. DORF.
Waldorf. I will surely go through it.
This is a beautiful education system. So
many schools have started this. Sorry, can I?
Madhumita, let her complete.
So so she's a part of that school, and they are in the IGCSE. So they haven't even had their 9th ka exams abhi tak. They already started their 10th, and in October they're going to have their 9th exam, and then post that they'll be preparing them for 10th. So this entire period that you are saying, next 3 months, they are going to be focusing a lot on academics, which they haven't all this while at all much. So how do you think? Because
I'm going to tell you something. We need 5 hours every week. That is on an average less than 1 hour per day. And I'll promise you that this 5 hours is going to boost her studies to the next level. Because she will learn where to focus, how to focus. She will understand what's her why. She will get the actual purpose of studying. And once she gets that, everything becomes smooth.
Yeah, I understand.
Project karna hai, nahi karna hai, that is your call. We will give that because she's in 10. Wo project she can learn the certification right now. Project ka, I will give you a 2-month ka break during the board exam. She can continue the project after that.
Okay. So can we take this offline? Can I speak to you like?
Yeah, sure.
So how do we connect?
So you have to register and you can get an induction call. So induction call, if you have even a doubt, you can register and have an induction call with.
Your name I didn't get, I'm sorry.
Nitesh Gavde.
Nitesh, okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Any doubts, guys? Before you wrap up?
Nitesh, just 2 minutes. This is Roshan,
Yes.
Paulam's dad. Hi.
Yes.
So, yeah, Nitesh, just one question. My daughter is in 11th science, and I think they do have the coaching classes on Sunday, the tuition classes. The school is not on Sunday, but mainly the tuition classes like physics, chemistry, and all. So probably they also keep on the morning. I think whatever you just mentioned, 8 o'clock in the morning, probably it might clash. So I don't know how, if in case if we need to
So
go
what we are going to do is all the sessions are recorded and are provided to the students on our LMS.
Okay.
So guys, if you want to see our LMS, go and type in Living the Unlived. So if you type here Living the Unlived, हाँ ये हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म है और ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाओगे आप तो आपको ना हम लोग सारे सेशंस अपलोड करके रखते हैं बिकॉज वी अग्री दैट कभी कभी बच्चे बिकॉज ऑफ सम अदर कमिटमेंट दे कैन नॉट फुलफिल सो यू विल गो हियर टीन प्लानर फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम पे जाएंगे आप एंड यू विल सी हियर whatever you have discussed in the presentation will be here. By the way, here we also have got the testimonials. So you can see what the parents and students have to say at the end of the program. And if you see here, this is the course curriculum. तो ये ऐसे सारे सेशंस में उनके लिए अपलोड करके रखे जाएंगे. तो अगर कभी पॉलमी का कोई सेशन मिस हो जाता है, she can always go back.
Okay. Yeah, understood.
प्लस उनका मेंटरिंग तो होगा ही ना 1-to-1.
Okay.
हर वीक में वो मेंटरिंग का जो टाइमिंग होगा वो पॉलमी और मेंटर का कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से होगा.
Understood.
Okay.
Yep. Thanks, Nitesh.
So guys, any more questions before we wind up?
Sir, can you please?
Super. तो एक काम करते हैं. So जो टीम ट्रेनर का ना हम लोगों ने अभी ग्रेजुएशन किया था. Anybody has a question?
Yes. What is the shortest age to startup? 20 years. I hope so. 20 years is it?
What is what?
Is 20 years? If we are 20 years and we decide to have a startup, is it good? Is it
You
right?
can start up anytime. You can start up when you are 13-year-old also. So guys, I want to do something special for you guys. This we did for our batch when we did the last session. But since you guys are meeting me for the first time, I want you to leave you guys with this amazing video. All set? 3 मिनट का वीडियो है. I am telling you, आज आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो और जो एनरोल करेंगे एग्जैक्टली 3 महीने बाद हम लोग ये वीडियो वापस देखेंगे एंड 3 महीने बाद when you watch this video again with me at the graduation ceremony, you will have a different meaning of this video. Okay, so guys, here comes the video and graduates who enjoy this video again.
नहीं होगा यार.
कार का इंतजाम किया है सर. सर आइए सर. चल चल आ जाओ. बोला क्या बात करता है? क्या ऊपर से जाएगा? क्या ऊपर से? जा.
गया मेन शो.
I hate this country. कुछ करो ना.
मैं वहां जाके क्या उखाड़ लूंगा?
कैसे
कैसी जाने बूंदे आई जाने कैसा
Music is different.
कुछ करो ना।
कौन होगा वो मसीह
Excuse me, sir. I hate to interrupt, but can the video is lagging? So can
Sorry.
Sir, the video is lagging a bit. So I got the video. So can I just watch it on the phone? Because that's lagging a bit.
That's fine. That's fine. Okay, guys. So here's the correct video.
सर आपके लिए उस पार कार का इंतजाम किया है सर आइए सर चल चल
I hate this country. चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाला करे ओ लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाल करे उफक पे पाँव रखो और चलो अकड़ के चलो उफक पे पाँव रखो और चलो अकड़ के चलो फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले 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 हिंदुस्तान चले चलो
So guys, I'm gonna only share you one thing. This is you right now. Okay, and exactly on the last day of Teenpreneur Fellowship Program, I'm gonna tell you how this entire thing will make meaning in your life. So all the graduates of Teenpreneur Batch 1, Niyati, would you agree? We have done this video in the last session.
Yes, coach.
And you know the new meaning?
Yes.
Super, super. So guys, with this, I complete the Teenpreneur workshop and I welcome all of you to Teenpreneur Fellowship Program Batch 2 starting on 4th of October. Already people have started nominating. Nominate. If you have any doubts, connect with me. You can connect, you can go on our website, find out what all things we are doing. And most important, if you have intention to make it big, Teenpreneurship is the program for you. So see you all on 4th of October for the fellowship program. Till that time, goodbye. God bless you all.
Goodbye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.